Hi, welcome to Bendiventures. Today we're unboxing our newest toy, the Black Decker leaf vacuum and mulcher. So let's see what we got inside. So here we have the backpack. You wear it like this, and the mulched leaves will get sucked up inside of it, and they're collected in the bag, which you carry around with you until it's full, and then you could, I guess, deposit it into the yard waste bin or into our composter, or I suppose just use it as mulch on the ground. There's that. I'm guessing this is the tube that sucks it up somehow. Instructions. More tube stuff. We'll figure out how this all goes together in a second. Just putting it here for now. And there's more of the sucky uppy part. And more sucky uppy parts. Lots of attachments. Okay. And here is the vacuum. Very nice. Now I got to put it all together. Blower vacuum. It's model BEBL7000. So attach the flexible tube to the vacuum head and clicks into place. That was easy. Okay. This. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. That. And I guess I should take this off. Maybe clip that. There. Okay. Now I am taking piece number 12 and I am attaching it to the lower tube number 13 and push the lower tube firmly into the upper tube until the triangle is clicked. It's never operate apart. Alright. Cover. Attach the vacuum tube assembly to the power head. Okay, so now I'm doing this. I don't know. Huh? Oh. Okay. Got it. Okay. Voila. So now I guess I just need to plug in the power cord to here and then to something, and we're good to go. Okay, we're all clipped up, strapped on, plugged in. moment of truth. Let's see how this works. This took 10 minutes to put together, and so far I would say this thing sucks, but in a good way. It's pretty cool. I'm excited to use it on the yard because we have so many fine pieces of dead grass and stuff that doesn't come up with the rake, and we need tweezers other than this. So hopefully this will get the job done. So obviously that bag could have held a lot more. I just wanted to see what it was doing to it inside, and it has definitely pulverized it. If you look down there. Okay, cool. So now it's empty and ready for round 2. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.